Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Divya Madan from soulfulLivingLLC.com. And today I'm going to talk about the upcoming class that I'm having on Angelic Reiki. So, first thing first, that we need to understand what is Reiki. So, Reiki is one kind of cosmic healing process, something similar to pranic or any kind of other healing methodology. It could be theta, beta, shamanic. So these are like different kind of cosmic healing methodologies. The core of each and every uh, healing methodology is that you align the energy, you and then you move the energy inside of your system. So there are various systems, there are various methodologies. Now, why you should be learning it? What is the advantage of doing it? So there are many advantages, but just to be giving you a brief example about it is that when you heal yourself using the divine cosmic force energies, one, you can heal not only your physical body but also your emotional or soul body. So we have five kinds of bodies that we will be talking about, how we store the information. So we all know that our memory is imprinted inside of our body, like on the fats, on the lipids in our body, in our mind. So lots of memories are etched into our system, and they are inside of us in the form of holograms. So now the memories, the experiences that we have accumulated over the period of time becomes our pattern, and eventually it becomes the blockage. It does not allow us to move forward in our lives. So once we get aligned to the universal life force energy, we can dissipate it to ourselves to heal our physical pain, our emotional pain, and financial pains, because these things do not have any medicines, right? So the more you're aligned to your planet, to yourself, to your environment, you will be able to move forward with your life with ease. So now, what is a difference between a cosmic healer and a doctor? Doctor works on the physical symptoms. Healers work on the soul body or mind body. So each and everyone is important. Doctors are also important. Healers are also important. So they complement each other. And learning this art or science is extremely important for each and everyone in order to move forward in their lives. There is more that meet your eyes. And we all have heard about third eye, right? So third eye is all about intuitions, clairvoyance, and then clairsentience, clairaudience. So what we are going to do in this workshop, that we are going to not only learn the normal Reiki principles and Reiki symbols, but we will be also learning about connecting with the divine energies, which will be aligned to your angelic goals. So do not wait. Join. Even if you're a healer, you will get benefited. Even if you're a beginner, you will get benefited. So the link is in the bottom. Join the course, and we will be meeting on 4th of August on Zoom. So after registration, you will be sent an email with the Zoom link, and you can click on the Zoom link. Also, we will have a personal WhatsApp group where you can ask as many questions as you want during the sessions and even after the session. So looking forward to see you all on 4th of August. And this is a 10-day workshop, level 1, level 2, level 3. You will be able to heal yourself, your family members, and anyone at a distance. Thank you, everyone. Namaskar. Thank you.